Yesterday we designed some of the screens, right? Now today we'll explain. We'll move on to next type of tags. Yesterday we have seen about image tag and anchor tag. We created some of the links, right? So now today we'll create some of real-time examples. Like we'll see some of the login screen. So suppose I'm taking one example. So let us go to input type actually. Input type is we're designing in real-time environments like a login screen, registration pages, etc. For that, give me 1 minute. I'm cleaning the system. So let us go to one screen. Suppose Gmail screen. I'm taking this. What we have account. So this is a login screen, right? So I'm entering my mail ID. Okay. So next task password. So I'm entering password like this. Here, if you observe, mail ID or login username can be visible, but the passwords should not be visible. Okay. So for that purpose, HTML provides input type equal to password. Okay, let us design this screen actually. So I'm concentrating upon the styles exactly where exactly it is existing center, right? But I'm not bothering about the position, but I'm taking the point of two text boxes. Okay, and this messages. Okay, and click on login screen. Okay, that is my intention. So I'm creating. So for that purpose, there is a new text document. One more important tag is input tag. Input type equal to, you can mention what type of variable it is. Suppose it is a text box. So generally text box is nothing but somewhat the box will be appear, and in that we can enter something. So size also you can mention like 10. Okay. So like this input type equal to text means it create one text box. So, so suppose I'm entering some username. For whom purpose I'm creating this screen? For client purpose. Name. Okay. After that, some br tag text box will come. Br tag, enter your password. So yeah, and input type equal to, I'm giving text box size equal to some 10. Br. So it should be HTML tags, right? So it should be embedded in HTML tags. It is not mandatory. We add the HTML tag, but we have to add it. So save as. If you observe, this is created for us. Okay, so I'm entering something, and password also I'm entering something. The password should not be visible, right? And also, I would like to create one button here, that is a sign in button. Okay, so for that purpose, I'm adding one more input type. Input type equal to submit value equal to login. This refresh it. Now button is created here. Okay, so input type equal to submit. So again, this mixes the thing. So I'm adding one more VR tag. Click on here. Login screen will be separated, and also here also not here. Here I'm adding like this. This is login screen. So we want to place the text box here, then remove the BR tag. So this BR tag, if you remove this BR tag and refresh it, it will be somewhat look good. And also I would like to move this text box from here to this length, same place. I would like to use address of NBSP semicolon. Okay, so right, okay, like this you can design adjust login button. I have to enter this into align is equal to the position where exactly it should be. Align is not working. Input type equal to submit, so align is not working here. We can give NBSP. So I would like to move from there to there. Some login scheme we can define. Now I would like to design one cancel or reset. That is also one type of submit, right? So input type equal to not submit, it is reset. Input type equal to reset. This is given by HTML people. Okay. Value equal to cancel button is created. Suppose I entered something and cancel. So actually this is a static web page actually. Okay. If you forgot anything, you can Google it and find the tags. Type HTML. So a lot of the things are there. So let's input type equal to button. These are all comes into input type only. So input type equal to So it is not working. Input type equal to reset. Reset here. You can change all the things to input. Date, date format you can give. Okay, so input type equal to color you can give date, email. So suppose input type equal to email. So let us create one more page. This is login page, new page, registration page. In this registration page, I'm creating HTML head. Tag is minimum head content. So registration is- so so this is a test driven development. Test driven development means whenever you're developing this space, you have to test whether it is correctly going on. That is nothing but test driven development. Okay. So TTD register.html. Registration page is came. So text again I would like to enter center type. I will try to give center. Okay. And I don't like this colon, right? This key. This registration page. I'm giving some enter first name. Usually first name will be text box. Type equal to size equal to 10 BR tag. So refresh it. Okay. So it is somewhat less tight. Size is nothing but it will take more letters but the text box size length will be somewhat congested. So now I'd like to increase this length. I can increase to size. Size will be increased. Okay. Next BR. Next enter last name. It's also text box. All of you please visit YouTube channel and watch these videos. If you watch these videos, no need to learn once again. Real time development also same thing will happen. Designing these screens only. Enter last name, I entered, and enter email. Okay. Type equal to email, right? So size equals to 40. Email also like text box only like this. Enter email. Here VR tag is not work. What VR tag is, and this text box should come this side. So I'm giving space. Right. Okay. Next. Also, yes. For address type, we have anything. Input type equal to date hidden. Oh, no, not there. So input type equal to text all the things, button 68, month, number, password, radio, range, reset, search, submit. Okay, so we'll do one thing here. Okay, let us see. Okay. This one. This it also mix it. So this will give, and we enter password. So traffic button. and here MBSP. Right. Okay. So I'm entering the details. Password. If you see, password will be this type. If you click on this one, password will be shown. If you click on this one, password will be here. Okay. And address. Address generally some big box will come. So and, type equal to text area. I will give is equal to some. If you forget anything, just do it. So if you click on here, text area will be displayed somewhat big box. Okay, this is the text area. Okay, so input the not input type directly. We have to give number of rows, number of columns like this. Okay, so enter address here. We have to give something happen. Text area have to close like this. So enter address. So if this enter address should come here. So and NBSP. How many you want to give? You can give. Know some of the things. Okay, like this. Enter address. I entered. Next step. Enter generalist checkbox, right? Input type equal to checkbox. Okay, I can also click on it. Here, what is my intention is mail after the checkbox, next space, email checkbox. Like that, I have to design. Okay, for the purpose, I'm giving character gender, mail space, for example, PSP, and the same thing. So, mail two times came. It is two times came, you can search. So mail, yeah, it copy here. Come here and refresh it. Select mail, email. Both you are selecting, but at a time one option will come, but we'll see later. And also password number, month, image, submit, search, reset, range, radio. This one also have to design.
Registration page. Select gender, male, female, preferred dress, Western.
So like this, you can view radio button. So radio button is completed. Next, is a search text box. You have to give URL, input type equal URL, so you can do. So select anything and each and everything, and you can browse the examples for this one. So almost we covered. So remaining things not much that much is useful. Input type equal to select option. That is one more thing. So versus select. I also forget. Type. Select. Like this. Okay. So label you can give and select an option like this. You can select here and give select name is equal to car. So take cars only. What will happen? So form ID is equal to cars. So just here in registration phase, You can select drop down from here. Okay, like this you can select. This is for select option. Okay, and submit reset buttons. I already explained to you. Input type equal to submit. Submit. Value we have to mention. Value equal to some meaningful name, that button name. Closing tag like this also you can close from here. So register base came here. You have to give one more break tag. Like this, register page will be created. Now I would like to add some of the images here. You can add some of the images and marker tag. Marker is nothing but some moving tag. Just spelling is done on this. Observe here, this text is moving from right to left. Okay, hold on. Direction also you can mention here. Direction. Wait. Mark no direction you can search. Okay, this one is from, we can mention the direction also, from left to right, right to left, scroll right to left. So this is right to left. Okay, direction is equal to left. So direction is equal to right means, so it will move. Enter this one. Now you observe this tag is moving from left to also yes. Top means it is right to left only. And the background color client said that the background color should be somewhat light blue or something. You can mention body tag here. Easy color content. Green. So this is registration page. You can also practice something pages. Login page, registration page. Okay, and enter some of the values, select some, create, select options. Okay, so this is about today's session. Now we'll create more examples. And share this video, please watch in YouTube channel. Thank you.